Hi everyone and welcome to Lake Trasimeno. On Lake Trasimeno you can find relaxed nature and great food and wine, thanks to the wineries that dot the hills around the lake. In this video I'll give you some tips to complete the tour of Lake Trasimeno on foot or by bike. 60 kilometers of panoramic landscapes and interesting villages. Passignano sul Trasimeno looks like a fishing village stretched towards the shore of the lake and dominated by the overhanging fortress. Ferries to the highlands also leave from here. In Tuoro sul Trasimeno you find the Campo del Sole Contemporary Park, an open-air museum to commemorate the Battle of Trasimeno between Hannibal and the Romans. Castiglione is one of the most beautiful villages in Italy, as well as being the lake main town. Relax on the lakefront, visit Palazzo della Cornia, dating back to the 500s and full of frescoes by Pomarancio, and walk the walls up to the splendid Rocca del Leone. And about food and accommodation, read the video's description to get tips. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.